Welcome to Supreme ICT Academy, where we bring you essential skills in data science. In today's video, we are focusing on the core of statistics: mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. Understanding these concepts is fundamental to mastering data science, whether you are analyzing trends or building predictive models. Introduction to statistics. Statistics is the backbone of data analysis. It helps us make sense of the data, draw conclusions, and make predictions. At the foundation of statistics lie four key concepts: the mean, the median, mode, and the standard deviation. Let's dive into each of these, starting with the mean. Understanding the mean. The mean or average is a measure of central tendency. It gives us a sense of typical value in a data set. To calculate the mean, you simply add up all the numbers and then divide by the total count. For example, if we have the numbers 3, 7, 7, 8, and 12 in a data set, by adding all these numbers together and dividing the resultant sum by 5, we get a mean of 7.4. The mean gives us an idea of what the average or a typical value might look like. But the mean can be skewed by a very large or very small number or numbers. Next, let's talk about the median. The median represents the middle value of a sorted data set. It's the point that separates the higher half from the lower half. In our example, when we arrange the numbers in order 3, 7, 7, 8, and 12, the median is 7. The median is particularly useful where there are outliers in your data that can distort the mean. The median provides a better representation of the central value in such cases. Now onto the mode. The mode is the number that appears most frequently in a data set. It's a useful statistics for understanding the most common occurrences in your data. In our data set of 3, 7, 7, 8, and 12, number 7 appears twice, which is the highest number of appearances in this data set. That makes it a mode. Unlike the mean and the median, you can have more than one mode if multiple values appear with the same frequency within a data set. Finally, let's discuss the standard deviation. While the mean tells us about the average, the standard deviation tells us how spread out the data is from the mean. A low standard deviation means that data points are close to the mean, while a high standard deviation means they are spread out. As indicated on the screen, to calculate standard deviation, we find the difference between each data point and the mean. We square those differences, find the average of those differences, and then take the square root of the average as a standard deviation. A large standard deviation indicates more variability in the data. To recap, the mean gives us the average. The median gives us the middle value. The mode shows the most frequent value. And the standard deviation tells us how spread out the data is from the mean. These statistical tools are crucial in data science, helping analysts understand trends and patterns in data. For example, when analyzing customer satisfaction scores, the mean gives an average score. The mode can show what most customers rated. And the standard deviation tells us how varied those scores are. Thank you for joining us at Supremacy Academy for this quick introduction to statistics. Mastering these concepts will lay a strong foundation for your journey in data science. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to subscribe for more learning.